Hello friends, welcome to my channel Language and Life Skills. I am Matthew Adukani. Today I shall share with you some idioms connected with blood and bone. Idioms connected with blood and bone. First among this is new blood. New blood. New blood refers to a person who is taken into a company for bringing about innovation. Is a person with new ideas, new strategies. Some sample sentences. New blood in the sales department will boost the company's fortunes. Or business houses always scout for new talent, new blood, to avoid stagnation. Second one, be in someone's blood. Be in someone's blood. It means it is something that comes natural to him. He is born to it. He has got an inherited talent for it. Sentences. She is an accomplished pianist. Music runs in the blood of her family. Or, he is an excellent advocate. Law runs in the blood of his family for 3 generations. In cold blood, especially murder in cold blood. So murder done deliberately with previous planning. It is a killing done with hard feelings. Example, Julius Caesar was murdered in cold blood by Brutus and his fellow conspirators. A murder in cold blood deserves a greater penalty than a provoked killing. You will all agree. Be after someone's blood or cry for someone's blood. It means to thirst for taking revenge on someone, to long to do somebody serious harm. Then you are after his blood. When terrorists are killed, they will go after the blood of army men. Now the government is after the blood of the electronic media as they publish facts boldly. Blood is thicker than water. This means family ties are stronger than other bonds, even if there are family quarrels. Sentences. Though he donated generously to the temple, he left most of his property to his son. Blood is thicker than water. Though they may fight often, they will join together when family honor is at stake. Blood is thicker than water. Make someone's blood boil. Make somebody very angry or very upset. It makes my blood to boil to see policemen thrashing poor people while fawning on politicians. Child abuse is a crime which would make anyone's blood boil. It makes one's blood to run cold. It means there is something that fills you with fear, horror, or anxiety. When I see a raging storm at sea, it makes my blood run cold. Another sentence. The corona fungus is making the blood run cold among many alcoholics and other addicts. A bone of contention. Something that is a matter of constant disagreement or argument between people. That is a bone of contention. Raising wages is often a bone of contention between labor and management. Money is often a bone of contention in many families because the spouses are selfish. Make no bones about something. Make no bones about something. It means to admit something frankly, without hesitation. though it may be inconvenient or disadvantageous for you to do so. I'll make no bones about it. I dislike religions that sponsor violence against other religions. Pope Francis makes no bones about the urgency of addressing climate change challenges. Have a bone to pick. Have a bone to pick. It means you have something to complain about, something about which you don't agree with someone else. Examples: I have a bone to pick with blind online teaching. It cannot educate the young, it can only impart knowledge or information. Religions have a bone to pick with politicians because they are legalizing adultery, live-in relationships, etc., which undermine the sanctity of marriage and of the family. Next one is the bare bones. The bare bones. It means the essential facts, the basic data. A doctor who does not know the bare bones of human anatomy should quit his profession. With only online teaching, school teachers are facing an uphill task in teaching even the bare bones of their subjects. Near the bone. It means some joke or remark or song or anything that is likely to offend because it may be vulgar, rude, or too personal. During election campaigns, some candidates speak in a manner that is too near the bones of opposition candidates. Racial discrimination by the police in the USA is too near the bones of the blacks, and President Biden is attempting remedial measures to counteract it. Dear friends, I hope you like this presentation of the idioms on blood and bones. If you like it, kindly subscribe. So bye till next time.